In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Messenger on iPhone. So if you want to log out Facebook Messenger from your iPhone, here are the steps you just need to take. It is quick and easy. But if I don't know this video, if you find this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to log out of Messenger on iPhone, all you need to do is open the Messenger application, then click on the menu icon at the top left. Once you click on that, click on the settings icon at the top right, just opposite your Facebook Messenger name. Then scroll down to click on Account Center or see more in Account Center. Once you click on that, wait for the Facebook Account Center to open and then come to Account Settings. Under Account Settings, click on Password and Security. Then once you selected that, you need to come to Security Check to select where you are logged in. Then once you selected that, you'll be taken to where you are logged in on your iPhone. However, if your Facebook and your Instagram account are linked together, you should see your Instagram account beneath here. Now, since you are interested on how you can easily log out the Facebook Messenger on your iPhone, all you need to do is click on your Facebook account name. Then wait for the page to load, and once it's loaded, click on Select Device to log out. Then here, go ahead and check Select All. Don't worry, you can see I have two devices selected here. That's Samsung Galaxy 54. Once I go down here and click on Logout to log out on devices, this is going to log out the Messenger application on all these selected devices as well as on my iPhone. Go ahead and click on Logout. Then tap Logout from the pop-up. Then hang on. This is going to log out Facebook Messenger on my Samsung Galaxy phone, and at the same time it's going to go ahead now and log me out on my iPhone. Then there you go, you say I'm not logged out on my iPhone from the Facebook Messenger. So this is how you can easily log out Facebook Messenger on iPhone. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.